India has extended $200 million line of credit to Nigeria in a bid to help facilitate the procurement of light combat aircraft TEJAS Mk1. India is putting forward TEJAS Mk1 as an advanced and cost-effective alternative as Nigeria is looking to replace its fleet of aging Chengdu F-7NI. The Ukrainian armed forces have released exclusive footage showing the destruction of a Russian Shahed-136 long-range kamikaze drone by Mi-8 helicopter. According to the military, the Shahed-136 drone was escorted away from a populated area before being neutralized to ensure the safety of civilians. Japan's Ministry of Defense has unveiled photos from the test launch of the improved Type 12 surface-to-ship missile. The upgraded version aims to extend its range to at least 900 kilometers, with a goal of reaching 1,200 kilometers in future. Russian President Vladimir Putin signed a treaty with Belarus, providing security guarantees that include the potential use of Russian nuclear weapons to repel aggression. Belarus has played a key role in supporting Russia's military efforts, including allowing its territory to be used for the invasion of Ukraine. The Philippine Air Force has officially received its third and final battery of Israeli Spyder short and medium-range mobile air defense systems. It can target various aerial threats including aircraft, helicopters, unmanned aerial vehicles and precision-guided munitions.